my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink cause I think I'm going all in. Get me a shrink who can catch me when I'm falling. Cover up my scars.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Sophie and I'm back in your screens guys with another banger. In today's video I'm going to be showing you exactly how I achieved this amazing hairstyle courtesy of QVR hair. When I tell you, these extensions are quality, they are superb, they are 100%. They're everything that you want in a curly hair extension. I feel like if I say everything about this hair extension, it will look like I'm just blabbing or like doing PR, but this hair is everything. I'm also going to be telling you about all the mistakes I made as a first timer with crochet hair. If you know that you're interested in all that I have to do and say in this video, then don't go anywhere, keep watching. This is the braid pattern I used beneath my crochet hair. The braids I'm pointing at would serve as a leave out when I am done installing the extensions. The only tools that you'll be needing for the installation process is a crochet pin. But if this is your first time, I recommend that you use a bigger pin. If you have smaller braids, you'd need a smaller pin. Side gist, this is my second time making use of this particular extensions. The first time I just didn't feel like I did proper justice to the awesomeness of this hair. I guess that goes to prove its cost effectiveness because this is not just influencing, the hair is actually reusable. You guys needed to see the way I brushed out these extensions. I'm surprised it still lives. Okay. I'm going to stop talking about these hair extensions now and just get straight to the things I did differently. For starters, with my leave out, I tried not to put out too much of my natural hair, because initially I felt like I needed to do that to mask the root of the extensions, but that's not true. It only ended up making this hairstyle super high maintenance because I needed to do so much for my natural hair to look presentable in combination with the extensions. The second mistake I made was with my loop technique. You guys, I kid you not, your loop technique would determine whether or not you decide to get another crochet hairstyle done, because it will stress you out during takedown. If you see this loop technique I'm using right now in this video, it's so easy because all you need to do is literally take down your bottom braids. I mean the braids you used as base for your extensions. The crochet extensions will just fall off and you're good to go. No stress. The third mistake I made was overloading my head with too much hair, which I did because I thought I needed to cover every step of my braids with crochet extensions. You guys, that is also not true. This only left me with fuller hair, which is not a problem if that's exactly what you want. But guys, I'm a student. I can't be dealing with that much hair every single day for the rest of the week. The fourth mistake I made genuinely is not carrying this hairstyle for long enough. I know this sounds very funny, but what do you mean I slayed for just 2 weeks? Best believe I'm keeping this particular one for a whole month. Well guys, I'd really like for you to enjoy the remaining half of this video majorly with your eyes. So if you don't mind, keep watching.
guys so much for watching my video. I hope you got exactly what you were looking for, and by the end of this video you can look as stunning as I do. Don't forget to give me a very big thumbs up, leave me a comment, let me know exactly what you're thinking. Share this video to any and everyone who you think will be interested in this video, and of course subscribe to my YouTube channel. I love you guys so much.